Hi, my name is Diesel, and I'm the owner and operator of For You to See Mobile Auto Detailing here in beautiful Hotlanta, Georgia. Now I'm going to show you how to polish your car. Basically, what you want to do is you want to take a very good grade polish. I happen to like 3M. This right here is 3M machine polish. It's to perfect it. It's really good, especially for this car. It's a newly painted car. What you want to do is you want to put a bead on the car, or I actually prefer putting it directly on the pad of the buffer. Put a good amount on it, not too much, not too little, because you don't want it to splatter all over the place. You place it on the side of the panel, and then you kind of just spread it as much as you can. Once you get a good area spread, preferably 2 by 2 foot, 24 inches square, and then you just start the machine. Making sure you keep the speed of the buffer down. I like to have it between 14 and 1800. And I always keep the buffer moving side to side. Never stop it because you don't want to burn the paint. First you start with maybe 20 pounds of pressure on your arms, and then ease the pressure up as you start to work the polish in. That way you might cut out any swirl marks that might be in the paint from compounding. Now, some people like to tilt the buffer. Some people like it flat. I actually like it flat. But some people prefer to actually tilt it. As long as you don't put a lot of pressure in it, I really don't see no harm in any way you do it. But pretty much that's how you buff a car. Basically, polish a car. Sorry.